I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on data management, where we'll concentrate on understanding how to display group data. Here is an example. Using stem and leaf diagram, we are going to represent the given information. The question here is, marks scored by 20 students in a mathematics test are as follows. Draw a stem and leaf diagram. Find median, mode, and range. Now, to draw a stem and leaf diagram, we have to place the last digit in the leaf and the rest in the stem. So these are ones and tens place. So ones place will be placed in the leaf. So in first step, what we will do here is that we'll write down the data as given us, right? As given to us. So in the first stage, we will arrange the data as given in the form of stem and leaf. So that data as given. So that ways, we do take longer time, but the idea here is to get it correct. Now, beginning with 32, 2 goes to the leaf part and 3 comes to the stem part. So this is the stem. 1 digit goes to the leaf part. Digit 2 will go to the leaf part. So 32. So that is how we are going to place it. So the key here will be that if I am writing 3, 2, 3 in the stem part, 2 in the leaf part, it means 32, right? That is kind of important to specify. Now let's continue with the other terms. We do have terms like 30, 40, 50, 60. So let's write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a sequence. So the next number here is 87. So 8 and 7, we put 87. 56, 5 and 6, 63, 6 and 3, 79, 7 and 9, 80 means 0 comes there, 91, so we have one more, 91, and then we have here 60, 60, 45, 4 and 5, 78, 7 and 8, 63, 6 and 3, 88, 8 and 8, 48, 4 and 8, 75, 7 and 5, 83, 8 and 3, 69, 6 and 9, 75, 7 and 5, 74, 39, 39, 8, 0. We are given 20 data elements. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 120. So we have actually, in a way, organized them in stem and leaf form. However, you have to place them in numerical order, right? So that's our final answer. So where we are going to place them in numerical order. Only then the job is complete, right? So finally, this is going to be our answer, stem and leaf chart, or diagram, or sometimes we say plot. So we have these numbers, 3, 2, 9, that is in order, that's fine. Then we have 4, 5 and 8, perfectly good. 5 and 6, okay, 6. So with 6 we have 3, 0, 3, 9. We'll put it 0, 3, 3 and 9. And with 7, we have 9, 8, 5, 5, 4. So we'll place 4 first, then 5, 5, 8 and 9. And then we have 8, which is 7, 0, 8, 3, 0. So 2 zeros comes first, and then 3, and then we have 7 and 8, and lastly 9 and 1. So that becomes our final answer for part A. Do you understand? Of course, the key is as shared with you earlier. So this is going to be our answer. I hope that is absolutely clear. Now we have done part A. In part B, we need to find median, mode, and range. So let's do part B here. So first let's figure out what is median. Since we have 20 students, the middle value will be between 10 and 11, right? How do we find it? Since there are 20 students, we'll add 1 to 20, divide by 2, and that gives you 10.5, right? So that means between 10th and 11th, we'll have the median, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 10 and 11 is between these two, correct? So the median is between 74 and 75. So in this case, it will be 74 plus 75 divided by 2. So that will give us 74.5 as our answer. So the median is 74.5. Clear? So we can write down median is equal to 74.5. Now let's find what is mean. Mean mode, right? Now let's find out what is mode. Mode is most frequent, right? So mode is most frequent. So looking into the leaf part, is there anything which is repeating or more, right? So what we figure out that we do have 2 3s, right? So that means 63, 63. We do have 2 5s, that could also be a mode. And then we have these 2 zeros. So in fact, we have 3 modes here. So we have 3 modes in this particular case. So one mode is 63, the other one is 75, and then we also have 80 as the mode. So there could be more than one mode. That is important to understand. Correct? And now let's find what is range. Range is the maximum value minus minimum value, right? So that is the range. So the maximum value here is 91. So we'll do 91 minus minimum is 32. So we'll do 91 minus 32. So that will give us 9. And when you borrow from here, 8 take away 3 is 5. So the range here is 59. Correct? So range is 59. So that is how we actually solve such a question. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Now in this series, we are talking about stem and leaf plots with decimals, with more numbers, and we are also talking about back-to-back stem and leaf plots. So I'd like you to look into those videos also. Thanks for your time and all the best.